Hello everyone. Today we are going to review this book of Vinod Publications. Its name is Teaching of Hindi Language. It's a DLED ETD first year book. It's a bestseller book of Government of Himachal Pradesh, and it's as per the new syllabus pattern. See, you can check out the cover of this book. It's very nice. Teaching of Hindi Language of most trusted publishing firm, which is Vinod Publications. So let's check out and review this book. First of all, syllabus is mentioned unit wise. Unit 1 language, then unit 2 language skill and teaching learning aids in Hindi, then language teaching and lesson plan, then unit 4 measurement and evaluation in language. Now we have to check the contents and verify the contents with the syllabus, whether it's completely there or not, contents cover everything of the syllabus or not. Now let's check. Unit 1 language, meaning, definition, nature and importance. It's so contents are covered in both English language and Hindi language to make it easy for both kind of readers to understand it. So you can check like unit 1 language making, meaning, definition, nature, then character configuration and punctuality in Hindi, then importance of Hindi as mother tongue, state language and foreign language, Hindi vowels, phonology of Hindi, and then syntax, aims of teaching Hindi. You can verify it with syllabus also, like you can check out with syllabus. It's completely there, like भाषा, अर्थ, परिभाषा, प्रकृति, विभाषा के विभिन्न रूप, शब्द विचार, शब्द भेद, सारांशना. It's completely there. Now we have to check out unit 2, which is language skill and teaching learning aids in Hindi. So we have to, now we should read it in Hindi thing, so we can verify it easily, like भाषा कौशल, अर्थ, आवश्यकता तथा महत्व, उद्देश्य, श्रवण कौशल, भाषण कौशल, वाचन कौशल, लेखन कौशल, हिंदी शिक्षण में अधिगम संसाधन. You can check out and verify it with syllabus, like हिंदी भाषा अध्यापक, verified with you can check out with the contents, like unit 2 language skill, भाषा का अर्थ, आवश्यकता, महत्व, उद्देश्य, भाषा के उद्देश्य, then भाषा उद्देश्य का अर्थ, श्रवण कौशल, भाषण कौशल, वाचन कौशल. So everything which was there in syllabus, it's completely there in contents also. So yes, it completely clarifies it. We can check out the unit 3 of first contents and then syllabus, like it's there, like गण शिक्षण, गण की विविध विषयाएं, गण के रुचि बढ़ाने का साधन, विभिन्न में प्रासंगिक रचना, and sub topics are completely given. एंड प्रश्न वीक्षण, कविता में रुचि बढ़ाने के साधन, और एंड हिंदी शिक्षण में पाठन योजना, व्याकरण योजना. यू कैन चेक आउट विद यूनिट 3 ऑफ सिलेबस. गण शिक्षण, गण की विधाएं, गण में रुचि बढ़ाने के साधन. यू कैन चेक आउट, एवरीथिंग इज कम्प्लीटली देयर. लेट्स चेक आउट नाउ द लास्ट यूनिट कंप्लीट, यूनिट 4, विच इज मेजरमेंट एंड इवैल्यूएशन इन लैंग्वेज. इट्स टॉपिक आर भाषा शिक्षा में मूल्यांकन, विभिन्न प्रकार की परीक्षण, अविरल मूल्यांकन, एंड इन दी एंड इट इज हिंदी विषय में उपलब्धि परीक्षा का निर्माण. यू कैन वेरीफाई इट विद सिलेबस. यूनिट 4 भाषा शिक्षण में मूल्यांकन की आवश्यकता, महत्व, उद्देश्य, एंड टिल दी एंड प्रश्न पत्र निर्माण, एंड भाषा मूल्यांकन की विधियाँ, भाषण विधान की दृष्टि में सतह मूल्यांकन की उपयोगिता. एवरीथिंग इज कम्प्लीटली देयर. नाउ it's clear that contents cover everything of the syllabus. You have to now verify just the page number also. Does page number are accurate or not? For example, in page 90, whether I find this topic Saundarya Bodh Udeshya or not. Now check out on page number 90. Page number 90 is Saundarya Bodh. Aesthetic sense is completely there, and also the topics are highlighted in both English and Hindi language to make it easy for both kind of readers to understand it. Topics inside the matter also highlighted in Hindi and English. Let's check out another page, last any page number, and then we'll move ahead. Like in page 265, व्याकरण में पाठ योजना should be there. Now let's check page 265 at the last. So page 265, you can check पाठ योजना है, and व्याकरण में योजना is completely there. So yes, this topic is also there. So page number are very rightly mentioned. Contents cover everything of syllabus, and content and topics are very rightly and easily explained. This book has 320 pages, which is very good, which means everything is discussed in detail. In the last page of the books, other books of EDT first year and guest paper books and everything are of Himachal Pradesh are mentioned. You can check out and buy it. So price of the book is just rupees 199.50 rupees only, which is remarkable for a 320 page book and amazing. It's available on Flipkart and Amazon also. You can buy it online, or you can call them directly at 9218-219218, and book will be transferred to your location within just 3-4 days time only. Or if you want to purchase this book at any available store nearby your location, you can buy it from offline also nearby your store, any store of ETD books. So 199.50 is a very good price for this book. You can email them at vinodpublicationsindia@gmail.com, or you can also go to the website at www.vinodpublications.com, or you can go to Facebook, Twitter and YouTube and check other books of Vinod Publications and buy it. And if you have any complaint regarding any book, you can go to the helpline number at help@vinodpublications.com. So I think 199.50 is a very good and less and reasonable price for this book. You can buy it on Flipkart, Amazon, or call them directly, or you can buy it from available bookstore nearby your location. I think you should definitely buy it at 199.50. Teaching of Hindi language of Vinod Publications is a highly recommendable book from my side. I think you should definitely buy it. Highly recommendable. Thank you so much.